BrainJuice Media. Fuel your mind.
Hey there, gorgeous. Have you ever wondered how to get into his head so deeply that you become his favorite thought, his most exciting obsession, and all without playing manipulative games? You're in for a treat. Today, I'm spilling the tea on how to become absolutely unforgettable. But first, smash that like button and subscribe if you're ready to turn up your relationship game. All right, let's dive in. Imagine this. He's lying awake at night, staring at the ceiling, completely consumed by thoughts of you. He's cancelling plans just to see you and telling his friends he's never met anyone like you. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, this can be your reality when you master these strategies. And here's the best part. No games, no manipulation, just you at your absolute best. Ready? Let's go. First up, emotional intimacy. Here's the deal. Looks might catch his eye, but emotional connection is what keeps him hooked. Here's how to create that magnetic bond. Ask thought-provoking questions. Skip the boring "how was your day?" Instead, ask him about his biggest dreams, his childhood memories, or what he'd do if he could live one day with no consequences. Dig deep and make him feel like no one's ever been this interested in his inner world. Show your vulnerable side. Share your quirks, your fears, your embarrassing moments. When you let your guard down, it invites him to do the same. Vulnerability isn't weakness, it's a superpower. Here's a pro move. Mirror his emotions subtly. When he's excited, share in that enthusiasm. When he's down, offer a calm, empathetic presence. You'll become the person he craves to share his life with. Next, let's talk about stepping into your high-value energy. This isn't about being unattainable, it's about knowing your worth and living like it. Here's how. Stay passionately driven. Whether it's your career, a hobby, or personal growth, having your own exciting life makes you magnetic. Men can't resist a woman who's got her own thing going on. Set boundaries unapologetically. Say no when you need to, and don't bend over backward to accommodate someone who isn't doing the same for you. Respect starts with how you treat yourself. Be a little unpredictable. Keep him guessing, not in a manipulative way, but by showing him your multidimensional self. Maybe you're sweet and nurturing one day, then bold and adventurous the next. And let's not forget the power of self-care. When you show up as your best self, glowing with confidence, he'll be hooked. So light those candles, wear that bold lipstick, or hit the gym. Do whatever makes you feel unstoppable. Here's where things get spicy: communication. Forget about ghosting or leaving him on read for hours. The real magic is in being playful and real. Here's how. Inject humor into your conversations. A little teasing, a funny inside joke, or a flirty emoji can go a long way in building that irresistible chemistry. Show appreciation. Compliment him on things beyond his looks. Tell him you love the way he thinks or how he makes you laugh. These personal touches hit differently. Use open-ended questions. Instead of asking yes or no questions, go for ones that spark a story or insight. What's the most exciting thing you've done this year? This keeps the energy dynamic and engaging. And here's the kicker. Give him space to miss you. Balance your communication. Be consistent but not overwhelming. That little bit of mystery, it keeps him coming back for more. Want to know the ultimate way to make him obsessed? Be his safe haven. Life is chaotic, but if he feels peace and joy when he's with you, he'll never want to let you go. Here's how. Offer empathy, not solutions. If he's venting, don't jump in with advice unless he asks. Just listen and let him feel heard. Be consistent in your energy. Fluctuating hot and cold vibes create confusion. Instead, be someone he can count on. Reliability is sexy. Create shared rituals. It could be something as simple as Sunday morning coffee together, or a favorite show you both watch. These little rituals build emotional glue, make him feel understood and accepted, and he'll associate you with everything good in his life. Finally, keep him intrigued by cultivating a bit of mystery. This doesn't mean playing hard to get. It's about being layered and dynamic. Reveal yourself in stages. Don't lay everything out on the first date. Let him discover your stories, talents, and quirks over time. Surprise him. Whether it's an impromptu adventure or a handwritten note, keep things exciting and unpredictable. Pursue your passions. When he sees you lighting up about something you love, it's irresistible. Passion is magnetic. Mystery is about creating moments that make him think, wow, she's different, and different is unforgettable. One last thing, and this one's a game changer: gratitude and positivity. Everyone wants to feel good around their partner, and your vibe sets the tone. Celebrate his efforts. Whether it's the way he plans a date or the little things he does for you, show appreciation. A simple "thank you, that meant a lot to me" goes a long way. Stay optimistic. Be the light in his life that brightens his darkest days. Positivity is contagious, and he'll want to be around someone who uplifts him. When you radiate joy and gratitude, you create an environment he'll crave to be a part of. So there you have it, everything you need to make him obsessed without playing games. Which tip are you trying first? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're ready to level up your love life, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs this wisdom. Until next time, stay confident, stay radiant, and remember, you're the prize.